This video will be a tutorial on using custom audio and configuration files with the PedConnex Bluetooth app. Once you have your Android device connected to your station via Bluetooth, tap on the audio header. Tap on Configure. Tap on the extended press menu button and tap Replace File. Even if you have custom audio files currently on your mobile device, you may notice that they are not in the list of files. First, you will need to add the files to the PedConnex app. Tap on the main screen, then tap on the folder icon in the upper right of the app. Then tap on Extended Press. The current list of available files is listed. To add more files from within your device, tap the plus icon in the upper right. On the left menu, select the location where you have saved your audio files. Our files are saved in our Downloads folder. Tap the file you would like to add. The list of files will display with your newly added file. If you would like to add another file, tap the plus sign again, then add another file. Once you are done adding files to the app, tap the back arrow in the upper left twice to go back 2 screens. Now tap on the extended press menu button, and tap Replace File. Your new files should now appear as options. Tap the desired file to send to the station. You can verify the file was sent successfully by tapping the back arrow, then clicking the play arrow next to extended press.
Wait to cross Main Street at 2nd Street.
The station must be powered for audio to play. If you need to save audio from one station so that you can upload it to another station, that can easily be done. Tap on Configure, then tap on the menu button of the file type you want to save. Tap on Save File. Type in a descriptive name for your file. Once downloaded, you can find your file by navigating to Internal Storage, then the PedConnex folder, then the Location folder. If you would like to load a configuration file from your device, tap on Save Load Station Configuration, then tap on Load Config. If your configuration file is not listed, you can add a new file by tapping on the plus icon in the upper right. Our configuration file is saved in the Downloads folder. Tap on the config file you would like to load. Now tap on the new config file. You can verify your new settings by tapping on Configuration. If you would like to save the configuration file from the station to your device, tap on Save Config. Type in a descriptive name for your file. You can now see your newly saved configuration file by clicking on Load Config. Always remember to log out of PedConnex when you are finished.